Hello everyone, I'm Lorena Leon and welcome back to my channel. And if you have a microwave at home, you must see this. And if after watching this you like it and you would like to support me, it's easy, just click the subscribe button. Okay, microwaves are quick, fast, warm food on demand. I mean, so convenient, right? Well, if you forget your food just a bit too long, boom, mess. And in a split second, convenience turned into a cruel reality. Worry no more. I will fix this in no time. Let's talk about what you need. A pair of gloves. Some dish soap. A microwavable cup. Sponge. Some microfiber cloths. Paper towels. And a stainless steel cleaner if it is applicable to your microwave. Let's get started. Ready, set, go. First of all, you will need to fill your microwave-safe cup with water. Add a little bit of your favorite dish soap. Put it in the microwave. And set it for roughly 3 minutes. When the 3 minutes are up, what you're going to do is nothing. That's right, do not open the door, do not peek inside, do not touch it. Just absolutely nothing other than wait for about 5 to 10 more minutes. Then finally open the microwave and carefully remove the cup as the water is still hot. Whenever you handle glass, it is smart and safe to use a cloth to protect it from accidents. Lightly dip your sponge in the soapy water mixture and scrub slightly all around. When you're satisfied you've covered the entire thing, wipe clean with a microfiber cloth and leave the door open to fully dry. Wash your glass plate and the wheel ring that serves as a spinning track. Then dry them by hand. Now it is time to put everything together. Don't forget to give a wipe to the outside, plus stainless steel polish if applicable. That's it. It took me just under 25 minutes. And voila! This microwave is shiny and splatter-free, ready to warm up the next delicious express meal. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Ciao!